Today we're taking you to the most jaw-dropping places in Samoa. We crossed the world to find scenery that looks straight out of a movie. From giant swimming holes to sky-high waterfalls and unreal beaches, this is the adventure of a lifetime. I want you to feel like you're right here with me as we explore 7 mind-blowing spots. Get ready for cliff jumps, natural rock slides, and hidden caves. This isn't just a travel video, it's an epic journey. We're starting with a place so unbelievable, you have to see it to believe it. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to Samoa's most breathtaking scenery. First up, To Sua Ocean Trench, a giant natural swimming hole that's pure magic. Imagine a massive crater surrounded by lush gardens, with a steep wooden ladder leading down to turquoise water. The descent is thrilling, but the reward is unreal. Crystal clear water, sunlight streaming in, and vines draping the walls. It's connected to the ocean by an underwater cave, making the water fresh and vibrant. Down here it feels like a secret world, peaceful, serene, and totally surreal. Floating in the trench, you look up at the sky through a circle of green, feeling tiny in the best way. The gardens above are just as stunning, with traditional Samoan fails to relax in and panoramic ocean views. The whole area is perfectly preserved, a testament to the Samoan people's love for their land. You can spend hours swimming, exploring, and soaking in the views. The mix of adventure and tranquility is unbeatable. Climbing down that ladder is a rush, but the calm at the bottom is pure bliss. This isn't just a swimming hole, it's a geological wonder. If you ever visit Samoa, To Sua has to be at the top of your list. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that sets the bar sky high. We've got 6 more insane places to show you, but this is just the beginning. Let's hit the road and see what else Samoa has in store. The To Sua Ocean Trench is unforgettable, but trust me, the adventure's only getting started. Next stop, Paradise Beach. This is why you travel, to find places you never imagined could exist. The energy here is unreal, and the memories will last forever. Ready for more? Let's keep exploring. Samoa's beauty is just getting started. Stay tuned for the next mind-blowing spot. This is the adventure of a lifetime. Let's go. You won't believe what's next. On to the next epic location. Samoa, you've already blown my mind. Welcome to Lalamanu Beach, possibly the most perfect beach on Earth. The sand is powdery white, the water every shade of blue, and the vibe is pure paradise. There's a coral reef just offshore, so the water is calm and perfect for swimming. You can walk out forever and still be waist deep. The open-air beach fails let you sleep right on the sand, waking up to the sound of gentle waves. No crowds, no noise, just the ocean and swaying palms. Snorkel the reef, relax on the sand, or just soak in the view. Off the coast, tiny green islands dot the horizon, and you can even take a boat out for your own private island adventure. The community here rebuilt after the 2009 tsunami, making the beach even more beautiful. Their resilience is inspiring, and the spirit of Samoa shines through. Watching the sunset here is pure magic. Colors explode across the sky and reflect on the calm water. This is what travel is all about, simple, unforgettable moments. Lalamanu is the ultimate place to relax and recharge. If To Sua was about adrenaline, this is about peace. A day here is better than any spa. The natural beauty is overwhelming. If you're looking for paradise, you've found it. This is a top contender for the best scenery in Samoa. The memories you make here will last a lifetime. Lalamanu Beach is pure perfection. Ready for the next adventure? Let's keep going. Samoa just keeps getting better. Now we're at Papasia Sliding Rocks, a natural water park carved by centuries of flowing water. Forget man-made slides, these are the real deal, set deep in the jungle. The vibe is pure fun, locals and visitors laughing, sliding and splashing in cool freshwater pools. There's a big slide for thrill seekers and smaller ones for everyone else. The rocks are smooth, the water is refreshing, and the adrenaline is real. Local kids show off their skills, making it look easy. My turn, 3, 2, 1, and I'm flying down into the pool. It's way faster than you think, and the splashdown is epic. This is simple, joyful fun. No fancy equipment, just nature at its best. Families picnic on the rocks, and the whole place feels like a community playground. It's authentic, special, and full of happy memories. The slides are best after rain, so check the water flow before you go. For just a few tala, you get hours of fun. Papasia is a must-do for anyone visiting Samoa. It's pure, natural, adrenaline-fueled excitement. you'll feel like a kid again. This is one of the most fun spots in Samoa. Don't miss it. Ready for something completely different? Let's go find a secret cave pool. The adventure continues. Time to chill at Pula Cave Pool, a hidden freshwater spring beneath a historic church. The water is crystal clear, cool, and incredibly refreshing. Sunlight makes the cave glow blue, creating a magical atmosphere. Swim into the first cave, listen to the faint sound of hymns from above, and feel the tranquility. For the brave, there's a short underwater tunnel connecting to a darker, secret cave. Hold your breath, swim through, and discover a hidden chamber. The grounds are beautiful, with picnic spots and ocean views just steps away. Swim in the cave, then dip in the ocean. Best of both worlds. It's quiet, serene, and feels like your own private paradise. Fish swim with you, unbothered by your presence. The harmony of nature and history here is unique. Pula Cave Pool is a peaceful escape from the crowds. It's a spiritual, unforgettable experience. If you want something different from beaches and waterfalls, this is the place. Floating in the cave, looking out at the ocean, is pure bliss. This hidden gem is a must-visit. Ready for more adventure? Let's chase the most powerful waterfall in Samoa. The journey isn't over yet. Samoa keeps surprising us. Next stop, raw power and epic views. Let's go. Power and epic. We're at Sopuga Waterfall, an absolute powerhouse thundering into a deep gorge. You can hear it before you see it, and the view from the lookout is breathtaking. Surrounded by lush rainforest, the waterfall drops 54 meters in a single, roaring cascade. Mist rises, keeping everything green and vibrant. The family who owns the land has created beautiful gardens and shares Samoan culture with visitors. Learn about native plants, watch coconut husking, and see traditional crafts. You can't swim here. It's all about awe and respect for nature's raw force. The sound is a deep, constant roar that fills the air. It's mesmerizing and humbling, a reminder of nature's power. The viewpoint is easily accessible and offers one of Samoa's best photo ops. Sopoaga is a quick stop, but an essential one. It's a place for reflection and appreciation. The combination of natural beauty and cultural experience makes it unforgettable. If you want the perfect waterfall shot, this is the place. Ready to see a different side of Samoa? Let's visit a mansion with a story. The adventure continues. Samoa's wonders never end. On to the next chapter. Time for a change of pace. We're at Vailima, the former home of Robert Louis Stevenson. The mansion is now a museum, filled with his original furniture, books, and personal treasures. Walking through is like stepping back in time. The gardens are lush and peaceful, a writer's paradise. Stevenson loved this place, and it's easy to see why. The real adventure is the hike up Mount Vaya behind the house. It's a steep climb, but the summit rewards you with a panoramic view of Apia and the ocean. Stevenson's tomb sits at the top, simple and moving, with his own poem engraved. The Samoan people called him Tusitala, teller of tales. The view from the top is one of the best in Samoa. It's a powerful blend of natural beauty and literary history. Even if you're not a fan of his books, the hike and gardens are worth it. This stop shows a different, more historical side of Samoa. The connection between the land and its stories is strong here. Visiting Vailima gives you a deeper appreciation for Samoa's culture. The experience is unforgettable. Ready for one last wild adventure? Let's head into the rainforest. Our final stop, Olapupupu National Park, Samoa's wild heart. This vast rainforest stretches from the coast to the island's highest point. The air is fresh, the sounds are pure nature, birds, insects, wind in the trees. Hike through dense jungle, then emerge onto volcanic cliffs with dramatic ocean views. The contrast between green forest, black rock, and blue sea is stunning. Visit the Ma Tree, a giant banyan with roots you can walk between, like something from a fantasy world. The park is home to unique wildlife and ancient trees. Next, we reach Togitagiga Waterfall, a series of cascading pools perfect for a final swim. After a hot hike, the cool water is the ultimate reward. This park is all about adventure and discovery. Trails are muddy and wild, but that's part of the fun. It's a protected wilderness, not a tourist attraction. Respect the environment and enjoy the privilege of exploring it. Olapupupu is the soul of Samoa, untamed, beautiful, and vital. Protecting places like this is crucial for future generations. This is the perfect end to our journey. From ocean trenches to rainforests, Samoa has blown us away. The beauty here is unmatched. One last look before we say goodbye. Samoa, you are unforgettable. That's a wrap on our tour of Samoa's most breathtaking scenery. From ocean trenches to rainforests, this country is pure magic. I hope you felt the adventure and beauty through the screen. Let us know in the comments where you want us to explore next. If you enjoyed this journey, please like and subscribe. It helps us bring you more epic adventures. Thank you for your support and for joining us on this wild ride. We couldn't do it without you. See you in the next video.